Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to adjust screen timeout on iOS. First, what you need to do is go to your settings, which should be on your home screen, but if you can't find it here, all you need to do is go all the way to the right, then click on App Library, go to your settings. Now just go to display and brightness. Display and brightness, go down. Here it is, auto lock. Now you can change to how much time you want, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4, 5, or never. That's it. Thanks you for watching. I hope you subscribe to our channel, and bye.